Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this chapter, we will talk about the famous Great Depression of 1929. In the bustling streets of the Roaring Twenties, where jazz filled the air and prosperity seemed boundless, no one could have predicted the impending storm that would reshape the course of history. This is the story of the 1929 Great Depression, a dark chapter in the economic annals of the United States. As the 1920s dawned, America reveled in a period of unprecedented economic growth, the stock market soared, and the nation danced to the rhythm of newfound wealth. However, beneath the glittering surface, an ominous undercurrent of instability was quietly building. The bubble finally burst on October 29, 1929, a day forever etched in history as Black Tuesday. The New York Stock Exchange, the symbol of prosperity, witnessed a catastrophic collapse. Panic set in, and investors frantically sold their stocks, causing a domino effect that sent the entire economy spiraling into chaos. Do you have any idea how much money was lost during this chaos? Any wild guess? Investor lost around 14 billion American dollars in one trading session on the day known as Black Tuesday. The aftermath was devastating. Unemployment skyrocketed, factories shut down, and businesses went bankrupt. The once vibrant cities were now plagued by long lines of desperate individuals seeking any work they could find. Families lost their homes, their savings wiped out overnight. As if the economic turmoil wasn't enough, the country was hit by the ecological disaster known as the Dust Bowl. Severe drought and poor farming practices turned once fertile lands into desolate dust bowls. Millions were forced to abandon their homes and migrate in search of a better life. In the midst of the crisis, President Herbert Hoover scrambled to implement measures to alleviate the suffering. However, the response fell short, and the government struggled to provide effective relief. The Hoover administration's efforts were dwarfed by the scale of the catastrophe. The turning point came with the election of Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1932. FDR's New Deal ushered in a series of bold initiatives aimed at stabilizing the economy and providing a safety net for the American people. The Civilian Conservation Corps, Social Security, and other programs laid the foundation for recovery. The road to recovery was long and arduous, but as the 1930s gave way to the 1940s, the United States slowly emerged from the depths of the Great Depression. The nation's entry into World War II would ultimately prove to be the catalyst for a full economic recovery. As wartime production revitalized industries and brought millions back to work. The Great Depression left an indelible mark on the American psyche, a reminder that even the mightiest economic powers are not immune to the forces of boom and bust. As we reflect on this tumultuous era, let it serve as a testament to the resilience of the American spirit and a cautionary tale about the fragility of prosperity.